pay by phone.
Why is it making that noise? Oh, stop now.
I can't delete what's already there. And they have typed in and it's just got a mind of its own. Look, because they put the license, they put like GU as the number plate, and I can't delete that now.
So they've buggered it up.
So now I've got to try and pay for that. Which...
Oh, something's come out.
What's that? Yeah, let me try. It's done BB, so it's too fucking slow. Well, it's making it up as it goes along. The machine's broken. I don't know what to do because.
It's a shit machine.
The machine doesn't work. To film it. Right, so we're at this car park. What's it called? I don't know, it's an old one.
Dumsey Meadow.
Dumsey Meadow, is that what it's called? Anyway, we can't use this machine. It doesn't work. It keeps typing in random letters. It's bleeping all the time. It keeps putting in its own letters. Can't delete anything. Can't put in my registration, got no way to pay, no other machines in here. If I get a ticket, I'm going to appeal it because the machine didn't let me pay.
Oh, I must have the magic touch. Hey, there we go. Well, good morning. So today we're in Chertsey. It's taken us a little bit of a while to get here. Traffic was quite bad. And we obviously had that problem with the car park. I'm not going to worry about those 10 yards that I haven't done, if I'm honest.
No. The thing is, Thames Path, there's always diversions anyway. You can't do
exactly. We've made up for it. Well, that's the thing, because today we're actually going to be heading into London. We're going to, I mean, the main aim is Teddington, but when we get there, the Thames Path actually splits into two. But I think for the majority of our London sort of finish, we're going to be on the south bank because there's a lot more going on. It's roads otherwise, which is no fun for anyone, is it? So
we've got Hampton Court today, haven't we?
Yeah, so we'll be passing through Hampton Court, Walton-on-Thames, Kingston.
Do we go past Brentford today?
No.
That's the next walk, isn't it?
That's the next one. You are a big Brentford fan, aren't you?
I try.
Let's do it then. Chertsey Meadows.
Still criminal damage.
These are London cows. So this is the last borough we've got to go into now. London
cows.
They're quite big.
Yeah, watch out.
Their poo is even bigger.
They look better in Five Guys.
I got the Wendy Baconator, yeah?
Oh, that puddle does not look great. Yeah. Can you take that?
You should have recorded that. Yeah, so you got to jump all the way from that end to there.
Oh, this is shit.
Like, use the gate as leverage.
Oh, no!
Yeah, watch yourself. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, now swing round.
Oh man, this sucks. I have to buy a new pair of shoes before I go out tonight. The one time I wear my Vans. The one time.
What do you hate more? Mud in Vans or stick in there?
I would say at this point, I would probably hate this mud more.
Do you remember the stinging nettles, the one where we were literally walking through?
Of course I remember those stinging nettles. I've still got scars. I just nearly fell over then because I didn't wear the appropriate footwear today. And the reason why I didn't wear the appropriate footwear is because I am going somewhere else later, which might be a club, and I don't think walking boots are welcome there, but this is pretty shit.
David Gilmour's got a recording studio on a boat moored in the Thames along this stretch somewhere. That's so weird.
Yeah.
What's going on there?
Maybe it's a jitter.
Do you need to go, Joe?
Autumn is definitely with us. Shit. That thing, very angry. Yeah, if it's making that noise, that means go. I don't think it would fit in your oven, and if it did, you would be breaking the law, Glenn.
He was looking for the place called Lee Ho Fooks. Gonna get a big dish of beef chow mein.
Yeah, I think we've got it now. Shepperton Lock.
You hear him howling around your kitchen door. You better not let him in.
What are the operating hours for the ferry? Weekday here.
Yeah.
Hey, what is the word? Skipper?
Captain.
Captain?
I don't know. Captain. I don't know.
Cheers, thank you.
He's the hairy-handed gent who ran amok in Kent. Lately he's been overheard in Mayfair. You better stay away from him. He'll rip your lungs out, Jim.
So Glenn is getting worried about the joggers.
Jog on.
Werewolves of London. Werewolves of London.
Who do you think you are? Crash Bandicoot?
Well, I saw Lon Chaney walking with the Queen.
I'm just going to have a quick water stop over here.
Can't put that in your bag, can you?
Saw Lon Chaney Jr. walking with the Queen.
So just stopped off in Walton-on-Thames. Going to carry on up towards Hampton Court. 3.5 miles now.
Werewolves drinking a pina colada at Trader Vic's.
So yeah, we're going to stay on this side. So we'll be opposite Hampton Court then. Well, we're definitely not in the sticks anymore. So it's the first time where the Thames Path goes on either side. I think from doing a bit of research, the south bank is supposed to be the more scenic route, the side we initially end up. So I think we'll probably just carry on. Maybe pop over at Hampton Court if we get some time. But you can cross over around Kingston anyway, so a little footbridge I think. So this is a very nice stretch, I must say.
Do you like Camden in London? Yeah. It's really good. The first band was basically, it was original music.
We're going to end up going through Kingston. We'll have to walk through Kingston on the riverside, and then I think we can cross. It's the beginning of the end. Because we need to go up there, doesn't it? Good job we spotted that. Big birds.
Would not fancy parking down here, I'm not going to lie. Try and walk on to your car and they bloody take your kneecaps out.
You really don't like swans, do you?
Not as much as you.
Wow.
You just like them
You've
all.
vocalised it a lot more recently, I must say.
Kiss of death, that's the special signature move of the swan.
Well, now I've got to try and get it too.
So there is someone over there giving a chicken for a walk. I don't know if that's a thing in London, but yeah, fair enough.
Yeah. George's Chicken, that's right, that's what it was called.
So you're still searching for Gilmore's boat?
It'd be cool to see that, because I'm sure it's in a very nice spot.
Not gonna lie, I'd love a pint.
Wait a minute. Luke's got an idea.
So it was about time, wasn't it, to stop for a beer. And we've done a grand total of
4.7 miles. But this place, we could not pass this place without coming in here.
No, it would have been
It's a
rude.
beautiful spot. It's a nice pub. Beer's okay.
So we're just leaving the pub now, onwards to Kingston. But we were saying earlier that it definitely feels like far different to the walks we've been used to, being in the middle of nowhere. Lots to watch out for, bikes and joggers. Yeah. So yeah, got to get used to that, especially with the camera. I just think this time of year though, you're better off on these concrete paths. I mean, these are muddy anyway.
By the source would be rough, right?
Yeah, yeah. So I think we timed it well in terms of seasons.
He's doing that.
So this is Sunbury Lock now. Always makes me laugh how they never put the name of the lock.
Yeah, welcome to Long. I was just joking because at that time we did walk on the airfield, didn't we?
With it.
Oh, what's up? Yeah, definitely.
No hands. Whipping the back end of the motorbike, he goes up, then wings it, hits him in the face, it's just ridiculous.
So we certainly shouldn't forget that we've got to walk around the exterior of a palace. There's still quite a bit left. So yeah, we believe that's Hampton Court Palace, maybe in the distance. So it very much feels like we're on the outskirts of London now. There's more water here than at the source. Is it happening again? I don't know if I fancy an ice cream, to be fair.
No, you want a mackerel, dude.
Shine so bright, but they're fading after dawn.
Much busier than we've been used to.
In Kingston town.
What was that, Glenn, you said about the sign?
Yeah, I think it's the first London Transport Roundel we've seen so far.
Oh, right. So I guess that means we're in London. Hampton Court Station.
There's a pedestrian crossing, it's looking really rough.
There we go.
Kingston town, the place I long to be. If I had your world, I would give it away just to see.
Pretty impressive. Horses and carriage.
Girls I play when I am king.
I'm not entirely sure that is a toilet, but it would be handy. So we must now nearly be under 30 miles from the end. Peppa Pig might like jumping in muddy puddles, but I can tell you, I don't.
And now I am king.
So we seem to be arriving somewhere now. We reckon maybe Kingston, QUB40. So there's definitely an autumn walk this route.
In Kingston town.
You think that's Dave Gilmore's boat? The river is expanding at a drastic rate now. Just walking to this bridge is the width of this. Well, if the aim was to just walk to London, we've finished it today then.
Oh, Kingston town, the place I
Still on the eye for ice cream, aren't you?
I would give it away just to see the girls and play.
Right, so we're going to finish in Kingston, aren't we, today? That's us done. This is the cheers to Dennis.
Cheers, Dennis.
Cheers, Dennis.
Cheers, Dennis. Thanks for supporting our videos, and yeah, well done for doing it in 9 days. That's really impressive, man. Thanks for tuning in. That's where we're going to call it. Now we're in London, beginning of the final stretch.